Bienvenido a Real Alloy. Nuestro negocio es el reciclaje de metales, específicamente aluminio. Como líder en la industria, Real Alloy tiene plantas en todo Norteamérica.
Great company, big company, small town feel, and our team-based approach to safety, manufacturing, and customer service is number one in the industry.
Tomamos desechos de fabricación y postconsumo, trituramos, separamos y fundimos, cambiando la composición química para entregar un nuevo metal a nuestros clientes en una variedad de formas. El nuevo metal es fuerte, flexible, trabajador y confiable, al igual que nuestros empleados.
We challenge each other and we challenge ourselves.
Our people are very special.
The aluminum industry is a really exciting place to be working in at the moment. There is more and more focus on sustainability, therefore there's more and more focus on recyclability, which is the core part of Real Alloy's business. For the first time since the 70s, new rolling mill assets are being installed in North America, and Real Alloy has a really integral role to play in serving those new assets. And through those new assets, that's where we see the business really growing in the coming years.
A medida que la necesidad de productos reciclados continúa creciendo, la presencia del aluminio se siente firmemente a diario en todo el mundo.
Aluminum is an integral part of the cars we drive, the planes we fly, and the buildings we enter.
Everybody knows the world is changing, and we're going to support it here at Real Alloy with their sustainable aluminum products.
From an environmental standpoint, I really like that my role here helps to prepare the planet for my children and my children's children.
We've got a great footprint of where our plants are. We've got a tremendous team of capable people.
I'm very excited for what our future opportunities are here at this company. Just knowing that I have a part in just making less waste for future generations, for my kids, for my grandkids, just makes me proud to work here.
It's exciting and it's growing, and it's, given that it's so close to sustainability and the factors around sustainability and recycling are so strong and are what the consumers and customers are demanding and want. I think from a manufacturing standpoint, you can't really be much more well-positioned than we are.
I truly believe now is a great time to become part of the aluminum industry, and in particular to join Real Alloy. We've got a great thing going here.
Entonces, ¿qué es lo que distingue Real Alloy? Hay algo diferente aquí.
It's the Real Alloy teamwork, the fabric that keeps us together.
Real Alloy, el estándar real para el aluminio reciclado.